And this is Abbas, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to complete Exp25 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance Claims. So basically, this is the fourth chapter of the Excel section. In the beginning of the file, we can see that here is a little description about this project. There is nothing to do anything or nothing to solve anything, but it will give you an idea about this project and it should be helpful for you. So now, before I start this assignment, let me tell you that if you are struggling with Excel, MS Word, PowerPoint, or Access, then you don't need to worry. I'm providing simple step-by-step video tutorials on my YouTube channel, especially designed for the student who want to improve their computer skills. And if you are facing any problem regarding any software, then hit my WhatsApp number that is given at the bottom of the screen. I will try my best to serve you a fast and friendly service. So now I'm going to move on a questions how many steps we have to complete this file. Here is almost 15 steps to complete this assignment for the final submission form. So let's start with the step number 1. I'm going to read it for you, and step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance. Gradle has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So step number 1 is regarding to download the file exp25 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance. I have already downloaded this file. You can see here, this is my instructions file and this is my answer sheet. You can see here. So I have already downloaded it from my course dashboard. You can download it, and this is all about the step number 1. And now I am going to move in a step number 2. And step number 2 I have in front of me, that is convert the data range B6 up to J215 to a table. Name the data, insurance claims, and then apply the light green table style light 21. Basically, in step number 2, we are supposed to convert the data, and the range has been given, that is B6 up to J215, and we will convert into a table. So first of all, copy the range B6 up to J215, I mean 215. Control C and move to the answer sheet. And you can see here in a name box, Control V. Here I have selected the range that is to B6 up to J215 and paste it here and simply click enter. So we have selected the range as per instruction to convert the data into a table. So after selecting the range, simply go to the table box, you can see here, and select it in a table 1. You can see here. And now the next steps is name the table insurance claims. So copy the name for the table, and that is insurance claims. Control C, go to the answer sheet, and here you can see the table name. So we will change the name for the table, and the table name is insurance claim. I have already copied this one. Control V. So we have changed the table name, that is insurance claim. Simply click on a enter. And the next, now apply the light green table style light 21. Now I am going to apply the next instructions. Go to the table design and then apply the light green table style 1. So this is all about the step number 2. I have done it. Now I am going to move on a step number 3, and that is, I'm going to read it for you. Give me a moment, please. Yes, I'm going to read it for you. Step number 3, and that is remove the duplicate records. So move to the answer sheet, and then so you can see that our range has been already selected. That is uh, B6, I think so. Yeah, it was B6 up to J 215, and that was a range. And now we are supposed to remove the duplicate records. So in the answer sheet, you can see already range has been selected. We will just simply go to the data tab, and then you can see here in the data tools, we are supposed to remove the duplicates. So click here, and data already has been selected, so simply click on a OK. So we have removed 3 duplicates value found and removed 206 removed, and 206 unique values remain. Note that counts may include empty cell space etc. So this is all about the step number 3. So after step number 3, I'm going to move on a step number 4, and that is add a new column at the end of the table name duration. So first of all, copy the name for the table for the column, and that is duration, and move to the answer sheet, and then you can see here is the columns, and we will select a new column. So first of all, select K1, and then so after selecting K6 for the new column, you can see we are supposed to create a new column, and I have selected K6. So simply go to the, yes, this one, the name was duration, copy, and then in a formula tab, you can see I will paste here and simply click enter. So you can see we have created a new column by the name duration, and this is all about the step number 4. Now I'm going to move on to step number 5. I'm going to read it for you. Create a formula using unqualified structured reference to the calculate the days required to the resolve the incident date resolved date created. So basically in a step number 5, we are supposed to create a formula. So move to the answer sheet. So here we was supposed to create a formula as per session, like create a formula using unqualified structured. So in this column we will put of is equal to sign, sorry, yeah, is equal to sign, and now we are supposed to date resolved minus date created. So here you can see this is a column where is mentioned date resolved. So select this one minus date created, this one. So simply click enter. So you can see we have done the step number 5 as per instruction, where we was supposed to create a formula using unqualified structured references to the calculate the days required to the resolve the incident. And now I'm going to move on to step number 6. So I am going to read it for you, step number 6, and that is add a total row to display the average duration. column K required to complete a claim. So move to the, so in a column A, you can select any one of the anyone cell, and then in a table design, as per instruction, we are supposed to select total row. And after selecting the total row, you can see in a column K on the error, and we will average it. So this is all about the step number 6. I have done it. Now I am going to move on to step number 7. And step number 7 I have, it's like, give me a moment please, I am going to read it for you. And that is, excuse me, yeah. So step number 7, that is sort the table by insurance agent in alphabetical order. Add a second level to sort by description and then create a custom sort order as follows: natural disaster, flood, fire, theft, accident. Add a third level to sort by duration, smallest to the to largest. So move to the answer sheet, because we are sort the table by insurance agent in alphabetical order. So in step number 7, we were supposed to sort the data. So first of all, select any cell from this table, and then go to the home tab, and then in a editing section, you can see here we are supposed to sort the data. Sort and filter section, you can see here we are going to customize custom the sort. Now we have the table to sort, and the first instructions are we are supposed to sort the table by insurance agent alphabetical order. So sort the data by insurance. So first of all, we will select here. So we were supposed to sort the data by insurance agent, and then agent in an alphabetical order. So it's already selected in an alphabetical order. And next instructions are add a second level to a sort by description. So we will add a second level here, and we will select the description, and then as per instructions, and then create a custom sort order as follows. So and then we will create a custom sort order. Click here, custom the list here, and the as follows was natural disaster, flood, fire, theft, accident. So first of all, we will copy this one. Sorry, give me a moment, please. Yes, as like this one. Now I am going to copy step by step. I'm sorry, guys. Here, and then paste it here, and next theft and accident. Control C and Control V. So we have added we have added we have created a custom sort order as follows: natural disaster, flood, fire, theft, accident. And then simply click OK. So we have done this change. So after creating a custom sort order as follows, next instructions are add a third level to sort by duration smallest to largest. So we will add a level and its duration and the alphabetical order are smallest to largest as per station. You can see it's already selected and simply click OK. So we have done this step according to the instructions, and that is the end of the step number 7. Now I'm going to move on to step number 8. I'm going to read it for you. Step number 8, filter the table to only display closed claims as indicated in the status column. So we are supposed to filter the table. Now move to the answer sheet. So we are supposed to change the status. Here is the status. You can see here. Click on the error and then uncheck all the box, and as per instructions we are only select to check the close and simply select on a OK. So we have changed this as per instructions. So after completing step number 8, let me tell you that if you are struggling with Excel, MS Word, PowerPoint or Access, then just watch my video. I am providing a simple step-by-step video tutorials on my YouTube channel, especially designed for the student who want to improve their computer skills. And if you are facing any problem regarding any software, don't need to worry. Just hit my WhatsApp number that is given at the bottom of the screen, and I will try my best to serve you a fast and friendly service. After completing step number 8, I have done almost 50% of this assignment. If you need a complete assignment like Exp25 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance, then hit my WhatsApp number. I will be there for you. So thank you so much for your time, guys. We will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.